Good evening, everyone. I'm Krista Gutierrez. The feds ripped APD apart for how some officers handle the mentally ill. Lawmakers across the state took notice and now are demanding changes with what they call a mental health crisis. News 13's Cole Miller is here with more.
Crystal, this isn't going to be an easy feat or job for just one group or agency to take on. That's why a lot of people are coming together to tackle this problem, hopefully once and for all.
Crisis, a crucial or decisive point, an unstable condition. It's exactly how government leaders sum up New Mexico's mental health woes, especially in light of recent police incidents involving the mentally ill.
We don't need a big report or something like that. What we just need is moving forward with some action.
Look at what we're doing, that we're doing well, what we're not doing, and what we need to do, and how we're going to fund this.
To get the job done, City Councilors Brad Winter and Isaac Benton want to create a task force to solve a laundry list of problems when it comes to the mentally ill. The group would be made up of leaders and agencies from the city all the way up to the state level.
We need to fund mental health, behavioral health services to the degree that reflects the will of our community.
And that's slated to be one of the biggest challenges. The mental health crisis hit a boiling point after the controversial police shooting of James Boyd in the Albuquerque foothills back in March. Critics say APD mishandled Boyd, who was mentally ill. Police say many times officers are the first to respond and react.
There are going to be other options, other ways that we can deal with this issue and get people the help they need.
If an arrest is made, it means that person is off to MDC, the largest mental health provider in the state.
They cannot access the behavioral health services they need outside the jail walls. There just aren't enough places for them to go.
It's estimated half of MDC's population struggles with some kind of mental illness.
Now, the idea here is to come up with some long-term solutions. Councilor Benton says this is something that's been tried before. This time, though, is different. He says the political commitment and public commitment is there. Crystal, back to you.
All right, thanks, Cole. Benton and Winter's ideas will be shared at the May 19th City Council meeting. They're also looking at funding a position for at least 1 year to get some help coordinating their efforts.